Why are there not more people talking about keto? I will show you how to get the best results of your life with a ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet can be a life changer. It's high fat, low carb, and moderate protein. By cutting carbs, your body burns ketones for fuel. Say hello to weight loss and better health. Here's how to get started. First, focus on keto-friendly foods. Think meat, high-fat dairy, healthy oils, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, avocados, and berries. Avoid grains, sugar, fruit, and starchy veggies. Next, track your intake. Aim for under 35 grams of carbs a day. 70% of your calories from fat and 25% from protein. Use the Keto Weight Warriors Keto Calculator to stay on track. Finally, prepare for the keto flu. When cutting carbs, your body needs time to adjust. Hydrate and stay informed to ease through it. For more tips, check out our videos and visit direct@me Keto Weight Warriors. You can even grab 3 free keto cookbooks and save $100. Subscribe and comment below. Happy keto journey.